Hey everyone, today I wanted to show off a web app that I recently put together called AuraRead. It's for text to speech. So it allows you to either import different documents or type in the text box to have modern web browsers read that text back to you. Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, both of those have natural sounding voices built into them. I find that Firefox doesn't really have those natural, nice sounding voices for whatever reason. But once you do find a voice that you like, you can click on it and then you can press the star if you want to favorite it so that it's easy to find for later. It has a few features under Tools, so My Documents, Chapters, Compare Voices, Display Settings, and Bookmarks. My Documents, let's say you either type something or import something that you want to save for later. It would allow you to just type in a title and say save current. You'd click on that. Then anytime you click on it, it will populate the text box with whatever it is that you saved. So that's pretty handy. Chapters, depending on the type of book that or other type of document that you import, I have these different chapters features. So I'm still kind of fine-tuning it, but it might work well for whatever you import. Compare Voices is pretty cool because it would allow you to select two different ones and then play them back quickly to better determine if you like it or not. Display settings, as it reads to you,
The Project Gutenberg ebook of Grimm's Fairy
you'll
Tales.
notice
This ebook is for the use of anyone anywhere in the United
as it reads to you, you'll notice that it'll highlight the text. But this feature lets you switch it from whole sentence being highlighted or word by word. So whatever your preference is, you can change it. Bookmarks. If you've had it read to you to a certain point and you want to save the rest for later, you can press the bookmark button and it'll create a new bookmark, and whenever you come back you can click bookmarks and then press play and it'll pick up from where you left off. Sometimes when you import different text files or other documents, it might have extra characters that you would want to clean up. That's what this magic clean tool does. The article's already been cleaned, so it's not going to do anything, but if there were extra characters, like let's say you imported an article from a website or something that has special characters that need to be removed, that's when you would click on that and it would clean it up for you. And if you want to just completely clear what's on the screen, you can click the trash can. So the recording feature is not a built-in feature. However, you can record what's being read to you using third-party software. So I'm on Fedora Linux. I'm going to open up the Software Center and show you a program that I like to use. It's also available on FlatHub, so if you're on a different distribution of Linux, it should be available to you through that way. In the future, I'm going to make a version of this that shows Windows users how to record their system sound. So let's open up the Software Center and then we'll be able to download this. So the software is called Rico. I've already got it installed, but if it hadn't been installed already, you'd see an install button there, and then once it's done, you can click open. So go ahead and change whatever settings you would like. To be able to record the system sound, you would want to change this to system. Normally the format would be, I believe, WAV as the default, but MP3 is typically more universal, so that's why I chose that. And then this folder here, if you click it, you'll be able to see where your recordings are being saved. So once you have what's in the text box that you would like to record, you can press the record button and then you would press the speak button. So let's do that now.
The Project Gutenberg ebook of Grimm's Fairy Tales. This ebook is for the use of anyone anywhere in the United States and most other parts of the world at no cost and with almost.
So once you've recorded the portion that you like, just press the record button again and it will stop, and then you'll have that recording in the folder that you can do whatever you'd like with to listen back to. Project Gutenberg, it has a lot of free ebooks that are in the public domain, so you can search on here by either browsing around or typing in the name of a book, and once you find one that you like, you can click on it. I find that under other formats, the plain text usually works the best on AuraRead. So you would just download that, and then you could either drag it into here or click and then browse to import it. But yeah, that shows off the functionality of the web app, and hopefully you find it useful.